Hello, folks. Hang on. I can see one. I can see one. Don't move. Well, don't move. Hang on. Oop. See? As soon as I give you. See the little birdhouse. Unless there's one in there. Oops. There's one in there. I've been feeding them all winter, and I'm trying to teach them a lesson. Well, I was a few weeks ago. Now I'm going to give you the results of it. Hang on, they're going to back off here. Oops, yeah, back off a little bit. I'm just going to go towards there. She's still in there. I try to approach. I could see the food just being dumped away. Oops, there was a few there. But they don't like when I come around. I try and fill this bird feeder once a week, but can you see in the window? Hey, look at that. And that was filled 3 days ago. Full. But you know where it's going? It's all going right there. See? They're wasteful, eh? And I guess you could see the neighbors are benefiting from being oop. Look at that, all the bird poop on the fence here. Okay. So I guess you could say it's making lots of. See, they got some in the corners, like here and there, and you can see them. Look at that, eh? I know the squirrels come in here and they eat all over the place. Okay, that's enough. It's kind of cool out here. You can tell the little squirrels are all around. They're enjoying life. See, and we don't. Whoa, hang on. I'll turn this off. There. You don't buy them cheap stuff either, eh? You buy them this, see the blue jay. I don't want these guys. Blue jay, they're noisy, but these guys, eh? And that looks like a woodpecker. I don't see no woodpeckers, but them little white and gray birds and the brown ones there. But this is a premium bird food. Yeah, premium. Yeah. Oh, 15. I figured it was around 10 pounds. It's 15.4 pounds. And, hang on. We'll turn in here. So the trick here, we don't buy them cheap food, eh? So I figured they're not going to waste it if I don't buy cheap food. And in here I see corn chips, and I see sunflower seed, and I see a few other grains in there. I don't know what they are. I can tell you all sorts of things, but I don't really know what they are. Great berry scent. Maybe that's why they throw them overboard. They throw them on the ground. But see, when I clean with when I clean with the snowblower to make a path, then I pick up all those seeds and I send them in the snow way further away. They do come and pick some up at the bottom, but as you can see, there's a lot more than just a little bit of Like if it was just a little bit, I wouldn't mind. But once they're done, I'm sure a good third and maybe half that box full is on the ground. So why are they so? Okay, I wanted to talk to. I did a test, eh? I thought if I teach them a lesson, eh, they don't learn. I cut them off for a week, eh? Like they got the little house down to nothing, eh? I says I won't give them none for a week, eh? To find out if they won't be so wasteful after, eh? Well, then I fill it up a week later. Well, guess what happened? Inside of a few days, they had that house was about half full, and it was all on the ground. They just picked at it, and it took a while. And one thing I noticed, it took a while for the bird population to come back up again. So that's it. There's no way of punishing them. And the squirrels come around too. I'm not saying that I'm adopting Steve Rob's theory of feeding the squirrels, but I feed the birds. If I want to feed the birds, well, I guess the outcome is I'm feeding the I'm feeding the squirrels at the same time. I got some little red guys, some small, like the native squirrels here in Canada. You didn't know that them gray and them black squirrels, they come from England, eh? Like it's the first settlers that brought these over. They thought it would be a great thing, eh? There used to be some native squirrels here too, and boy, but I tell you something, the black ones are about twice the size of the red ones, but there's no show, eh? Okay, this is not a squirrel talk. This is my little birds, eh? So I can't teach them a lesson. I'll have to keep on feeding them. I fill that feeder about every week, about every 7 days. And one of these bags, these hang on, 15.4 pounds, lasts me, about 3 weeks. So it should be good till spring with that. And it's my wife that buys me that. I just order it, and when she goes, there's a place there. When she goes there, she buys it. And hey, yeah. When you get old, that's all you gotta do is feed the birds. I can see them in just around, hang on, around there. But they're kind of shy when I'm around. I'll go in the garage. There's one on the fence. Well, it was on the fence. There's one on the roof. She's on the ground. They feed on the ground. Oops. They're kind of skittish, eh? Oh, there's one in the feeder. There's one on the ground. Oh, did you see that? He just threw a whole bunch of food out. I don't know if you can see it. I got it panned out there. Hang on. I'll bring you in a little bit. See, he's still in there. Can you see him? Sometimes there are 2 or 3. One just flew down below. You can see the food dropping. They're all over the place now. My wife's complaining that she gets a lot of bird poop on her car. So I'm gonna try and train them. Didn't train them for the food, so I don't know that there's a whole bunch. Hang on. There's some on the ground. Can you see that? They're all over the place. Some on the ground. Oops. There. See, as soon as there's 2 in there, the flapper goes down and they can't treat. That's a big one because well, he has to go. He has to go on a diet. See, right now there's 5 on the ground and 2 in the bird feeder. There's a few more coming. There's still 5 on the ground now. Boom. All of a sudden, bam, they're all gone. Hey, hang on. I'll put my big face in here. Hang on. That's it, folks. That's it for the birds for today. Well, I have a few projects. One of the big projects is, hang on, I'll show you. Just to give you an idea of things, eh? Like, I'm a bit close here, eh? But can you see? Hey, look at that. Hey, think I have something to do here? And look, hang on. We keep on going, eh? Hey, look. Hey, remember the Sawzall? The big mod, huh? It's good. And all sorts of stuff. Well, that's the sewing machine. As you can tell, I'm not ready. I'm not ready to be sewing anything right there. It's stacked a little bit high. And there's some in the back there too. Oh, that's it, folks. Yeah, when you got a lot of stuff to do, eh? You can't do the important things, eh? Okay, that's it for this one. It's you can't teach them birds no lesson. That's what this is all about. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up. I'll know that you watched it. Hang on, thumbs up. I know you watched it till the end. Comments are welcome. I try to give non-generic answers. And as usual, we'll see See you in the next one.